Okay, and now I have made this cunning, and we have this BMW code 2A59, and it is like current, it is just in here on this defect code, and it says that Valvetronic eccentric shaft sensor, and this means now that my camshaft is in wrong position. Okay, this is really, and it means that now I have maybe timing chain this error, timing chain has jump, and this is one of these symbols and signs that camshaft is in wrong position. Okay, and this is really situation that now there is no any defect code. I start again. It like hesitates to start, but no any codes in here. It's tried to start. Now I stop that. Okay, and then we can look that can we see in here some another errors. Back, read fault memory. But there is only one Valvetronic eccentric shaft sensor. And this means now that now this Valvetronic is not working, and I think that now there is this timing chain, it has been jumped in another position. Okay, and now when I check this is my car's camshaft, I can see right away in this area in here that these cams markings, they are in totally different positions, like in here, that one, and then that one, because they have to be in synchronized in same phase. Now they are totally different, and that's this sensor gives error message because this position and then these sensors, these positions, sensors in here, that one and that one positions, they are not in the line. This sensor is in wrong position, that one, and also that one and that one. And that's there has been happened that that this my timing chain, it has been jumped to wrong position. Okay, and how to fix that? I have to set up this timing chain back, and if any parts are missing or broken, I have to replace this. And of course I have to replace this timing chain, because now timing chain has jumped in wrong position, and camshaft, they are not in the correct line. This is what happens when timing chain jumps.